Well, I was for say Menshia confirm say Kumasi Asante Kotoko is going to have a board by the end of this season, which is 2023-2024 season, you know. And Sana Bebe no Kotoko, Ebenya board na a confirmation a free Menshia, but following meetings a course last Friday, you know. Na say no, it is getting interesting. The latest person on also Akase Agyemang no Unyobeye, the CEO of Tabea. CEO of Tabea, a friend of Dr. Agyemang, yes, Dr. Kwasi Agyemang, no, Christian Dr. Kwasi Agyemang, Dr. Christian Agyemang, or no, Abe joining the race to be among or more of mayor. One also interested. Meanwhile, former MP, a friend of Mr. Kwadwo Baah Agyemang, or also unity say or no crowd or you ready some of the club no man say on running as Kotoko chairman and also ready nature say I interested one for be keke some we already say the nature say we say nkomodie ekoso pa then ye nyina ye nim cheddar nso nan say or you very close to Menshia on also reporter everybody say enye nwanwa kra say din ebetime appear as Kotoko board chairman and as a Kotoko board member. That's the information we guarantee sign Pamian say Dr. Christian Agyemang Tabea CEO and Mr. Kwadwo Agyemang former MP and a cheddar and so in line. Sign Pamian say the new board Kumasi Asante Kotoko be name no enye nwanwa sani omudin ebema enye nwanwa from enewie reporter ye gada no let's say nipa miense nyina they are ready and willing to be on board for Kumasi Asante Kotoko in terms of the new board eba no Friday meeting no what at the current time very necessary for Kumasi Asante Kotoko to appoint board no kra no the fact said club licensing committee you know say club bia no also unya board and see this year punish Kotoko was penalized because currently Kotoko need board but club licensing board no pay or more regulation requirements also club unya board but due to Kotoko circumstance no na bibi say ni ho nti penalize no ho amsifo no catch opemso ema opemso also the assurance the by the end of the season and for the purposes of time and transition into board no appointments no ebeba which is by the end of this season no enquiry ya bra Kotoko enya board na me dem wugidi say omo beba bia no omo beba bebo Kumasi Asante Kotoko na club na permanent stretches are nyina pray for the club and then the right investment will follow. Dr. Christian Agyemang, Dr. Mr. Kwadwo Baah and cheddar nana kwame bediako omunyina obeto mu na so bia ye de ye wa ha to give the support to